Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start flipping houses with Zillow, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your goals for flipping houses. Decide how much time and money you are willing to invest. Research the real estate market in your desired area. Identify neighborhoods that show potential for growth. Visit Zillow's website or mobile app to familiarize yourself with its layout. Begin your search by entering the desired location in the search bar. Filter your search results by selecting For Sale. Adjust the price range according to your budget for flipping. Use the filters to specify the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you are looking for. Review the listings and look for properties that are listed below market value. Take note of the homes that require renovations or updates. Pay attention to homes that have been on the market for a long time. Analyze the property's price history to gauge its market trend. Use Zillow's Zestimate feature to understand the property's value range. Reach out to real estate agents associated with any listings of interest. Schedule visits to tour potential properties. During your visits, take detailed notes about the condition of each property. Assess the costs of necessary repairs and renovations for each home. Calculate your expected profit margin after renovations. Once you find a suitable property, prepare a competitive offer. Consult a real estate professional to help with negotiations. If your offer is accepted, proceed with the closing process. After closing, begin the renovation work promptly. Stick to your budget but ensure quality improvements are made. Market the property once renovations are complete. Utilize Zillow to list your flipped property for sale. Create a compelling listing with high-quality photos and engaging descriptions. Monitor the market response and adjust your strategy if necessary. Be patient and ready to negotiate once offers come in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.